Today we're focusing on the answer to the McDonald's logo, which consists of two parabolas. We'll begin now. We have all dimensions included in the question, as you can see here and here. We can begin the question now. So get your set square, make sure your sheet is clean, and begin with a vertical line. Try and center it in the middle as well, and we'll do a horizontal line. The height of it, of the entire part along here, is 150. The inside one is 140, another 10. So we'll make the line. We'll do the outside one first and then the inside. So it'll be 150 millimeters. Get your set square, 0 up to 150, and just simply bring that across. From the question, we came in 20. That will be 20. That's going to be the difference between the thickness of the McDonald's logo, as you can see here. And then we come along 35. And then 35 again. And 20. This is going to be, here is our and here's our center, our midpoint, and up here is going to be our vertex, which is the maximum point of the parabola. As we done before, just draw an angled line out from the bottom. Get your protractor, open it to a distance, making sure that you're keeping it the same distance all along. 4 segments will do. Now we'll join up the last point to the middle. We'll swap around the set squares. Like so. And we will slide in set squares, bringing them up and up and up. Now we'll do this side again, bisecting the line, open it a little further due to it being a longer line. So there'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then join this corner down to there. Slide in set squares again, slide down. We'll have to move in our set square a little bit. Like so. Now we have that line. Readjust our set squares like so. so. And the last point. Get back our T-square. Bring our lines up vertically. Vertically. Have that. And remember from our parabola video, we join these diagonally down. Like so. Here's our starting point. Where this line here intersects this line. The next one. The next one. And finally the third one. And this and as we done from our just join the points to the points. As you can see. Now, as you can see, the next one steps in 20 and the height of it is 140. We can simply step down 10 because the highest point of this line is 150, and just roughly mark that line across. We've marked in our 20. There's our 20. So this is our starting point again. Before we do that, we can bring across all our points. Use our compass. Mark that over there. Over here. And then obviously this one is down there. So then we simply join points up, as you can see, and down to this point. Now as you can see from our diagram, it doesn't continue down fully, so you can stop that for now. We will start up. I've already measured in 20. Draw up your line. Already have our 140 line here. Just mark that in. That's the 150 line. Have our 20. Now we'll have the same midpoint. So we'll just do an angle again. Like that. And we'll just split it up again. One, two, three, four. We'll join the last point, as you can see, and join the other points. As you can see, we can actually use one of the older ones, luckily. We can bring up that like that, and bring up that like that. And we'll inside this one. Open our compass out a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, as we done from the previous one, you join the last point up to the box, to the corner. So here we go. Point to point. And then we use sliding set squares once again.